Welcome to today's insightful video into the study of the 7 foods that are as dangerous to your liver as alcohol. Picture the liver, a veritable powerhouse within our bodies, tirelessly performing 3 crucial tasks. It detoxifies the body, regulates our metabolic rate, and meticulously filters and preserves nutrients. But what if, unbeknownst to us, certain foods we consume are silently wreaking havoc on this vital organ? These unsuspecting culprits can lead to a cascade of health complications, from inflammation and fat accumulation to obesity and even fatty liver disease. It's a sobering thought that the foods we eat daily could be just as damaging as alcohol to our liver. In today's video, we will explore 7 such foods that are as harmful to the liver as alcohol. Before we go any further, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Before we dive into the list, let's get a quick understanding of our liver. This large, meaty organ tucked away in our abdomen is a real unsung hero of our bodies. Think of it as a diligent worker, tirelessly performing a multitude of essential tasks that keep us healthy and functioning. The liver's first major role is detoxification. Picture this: every time we eat, drink, breathe, or touch something, we potentially introduce toxins into our bodies. The liver is like a vigilant gatekeeper, tirelessly working to neutralize these toxins, preventing them from causing damage to the rest of our bodies. Next up, the liver plays an instrumental role in maintaining our metabolic rate. It's the liver's job to metabolize the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins we consume into energy and nutrients our body can use. It's essentially our body's personal nutritionist, ensuring we get the right amount of energy and nutrients we need to function optimally. Last, but certainly not least, the liver is the body's filter and preserver of nutrients. After digestion, all the nutrients from the food we eat pass through the liver. Here, the liver decides which nutrients to store, which to release immediately into the bloodstream, and which to eliminate. Knowing this, it becomes crucial to understand how certain dietary choices can impact this vital organ. Now, let's delve into the 7 foods that can be as harmful to the liver as alcohol. First up, we have cooking oils high in omega-6 fatty acids. While these fatty acids are essential for our health, an imbalance can wreak havoc, particularly on our liver. A diet high in omega-6 and low in omega-3 fatty acids can lead to increased inflammation in the body. This inflammation can damage liver cells and lead to liver diseases. Next, canned foods with chemicals and preservatives. These may be convenient, but they can pose a significant threat to liver health. Certain chemicals used in preserving canned foods can be toxic to the liver, causing it to work overtime to detoxify our body. Over time, this can lead to chronic liver disease. Third on our list, ultra-processed foods high in fat, carbs, and sodium. These foods can lead to obesity, which is a major risk factor for non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This condition occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver cells, causing inflammation and potentially leading to liver damage. Moving on, we have the excess consumption of sugary foods. Too much sugar can overload the liver, forcing it to convert the excess into fat. This can lead to the accumulation of fat in the liver, resulting in fatty liver disease. High sodium intake is another culprit. Consuming too much salt can lead to fluid retention and high blood pressure, putting extra strain on the liver and causing it to function less efficiently. Next, refined carbohydrates with a high glycemic index. These are rapidly absorbed into the bloodstream, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. The liver responds by producing more insulin, and over time this can lead to insulin resistance, a key driver of fatty liver disease. Lastly, alcohol. It's no secret that excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a host of liver problems, including alcoholic hepatitis, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. So, those were the 7 foods that can silently damage your liver. It's important to be mindful of these items in your diet. So, how can we ensure the health of our liver? A critical step in maintaining liver health is adopting healthy eating habits. Instead of ultra-processed foods high in fats, carbs, and sodium, opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. They not only satisfy your hunger but also provide essential nutrients without overloading your liver. Similarly, avoid canned foods with chemicals and preservatives. Fresh is always best, and if you must, choose low-sodium and preservative-free options. Cooking oils high in omega-6 fatty acids can silently damage your liver. Instead, use healthier alternatives like olive oil, which is high in omega-3 fatty acids and known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Limit your intake of sugary foods and refined carbohydrates with a high glycemic index. These can lead to fat accumulation and obesity, which can increase your risk of fatty liver disease. Remember to keep your sodium intake in check as well, as high sodium can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention. Regular exercise is another significant factor in maintaining liver health. It helps to burn triglycerides for fuel, and can also reduce liver fat. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of routine checkups. Regular blood tests can help detect liver damage early, and keep you on track for a healthy life. Remember, a healthy liver is essential for a healthy body. Your liver works hard to keep you healthy, and it's only fair that you return the favor. So start today. Make the right food choices, get moving, and schedule that checkup. Your liver will thank you. Let's recap what we've discussed today. The liver plays a crucial role in our bodies, detoxifying harmful substances, maintaining our metabolic rate, and preserving essential nutrients. Its health is influenced by our dietary choices, with some foods carrying the potential to silently damage this vital organ. Foods high in omega-6 fatty acids, chemicals, preservatives, fats, carbs, and sodium, sugary foods along with refined carbohydrates with a high glycemic index, can all contribute to liver diseases, inflammation, obesity, and fatty liver disease. Remember, mindful eating is key to maintaining liver health. We need to be aware of the hidden dangers lurking in our everyday dietary choices. Like a vigilant sentry, our liver works tirelessly to keep us healthy. Let's do our part by making food choices that support its function, rather than hinder it. If you found this video useful, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to use our calorie and protein calculator in the description below to kickstart and track your fitness journey. And before you go, thank you so much for watching our video, and please make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want to give up alcohol, watch the video on your screen next. Until next time, stay healthy.